Hey there. I hope you can see me. I can't see the screen very well because of the glare, but it's so beautiful I had to be outside. Happy Sunday. I've got another shoulder release exercise for you that I love to do, and it's I have a confession, and that's that I don't remember the name of the muscle. I'm going to plead mom brain on this one. If you guys know which muscle I'm talking about, put it in the comments for me, would ya? It is right at the top of your shoulder blade on either side, kind of behind your trapezius and the top ridge of your shoulder blade. If you put your hand on your shoulder like this, you can actually feel that top ridge right here, but on your back of your shoulder blade. And if you come just in front of that, you can feel like a little ball of muscle. That's the muscle we'll be releasing. If I step back a little, maybe you can see me better. The movement that you're going to do to activate and then somatically release that muscle is you're going to sit or stand with your arms at your sides, one arm at a time. You're going to lift your arm out to the side. Let's see if I can adjust this so you can see my arms at least a little bit. All right, lift one arm out to the side, not all the way up, because you're going to use your deltoid and some other muscles to do that, and you just want to target this one little nameless muscle. So let me adjust it again. Please don't fall, phone. Okay. You're going to lift one arm out to the side just a few inches, and then slowly bring it back to a relaxed position. And of course, we'll repeat that 3 to 5 times. Slowly lift your arm out to the side just a few inches, and slowly bring it back down. If you want, you can do it with a hand on that muscle. See if you can feel it activate to lift your arm, and slowly soften as you release your arm back down and give your arm back to gravity. Then of course we'll do the other side, remembering to move slowly, gently, with a lot of awareness, never pushing through pain or tension, and not stretching anything either. Lift your arm, and then the most important part, slowly bring it back down to neutral. Relax. Keep breathing, whatever breathing pattern works for you. Lift your arm out to the side a few inches. Slowly bring it back down. And a third time, lift it. That muscle is working to lift. It's the beginning of the lift of your arm. Slowly release your arm back down. Relax. You may or may not feel the difference right away. If you felt your muscles before you tried it, you might go in and gently feel the texture, which we call palpation, and see if you feel softness. And you can, of course, repeat this or string this into a little shoulder session with some of the other videos that I've given you on some past Somatics Sundays. And you can do a whole shoulder session. This can be done standing or seated, just like any of these things. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you're getting weather as nice as we are. I'm going to go play with a horse. See you soon.